Hi, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own calculator with the help of bolt.new. So if I show you my screen, you can see I just created this calculator with these options like purchase price, rehab cost, after care value, monthly rent, and refinance rate. So I just provided the details to the Paul.new and it created this calculator for me in less than 2 minutes. So I can show you how to use this and how you can create your own calculator or your own website with this new AI technology. So if I go to the code, you can see I just I just provided the requirements. You can see here I'm looking for a JavaScript developer to convert a CSV-based real estate calculator into fully functionally HTML application. And I provided the key features here, like calculator should perform these specific features, and I provided the ideal skills as well. So it must be done in JavaScript and HTML. After that, it created the calculator for me. And there was one problem, and I attempted to fix that. So it solved that problem, and there you go. So you can see the calculator here. So if I click on this button to see in the mobile view, so it's fully responsive. You can see it's totally responsive. And if I change this, it's changing also the values. And if I go to this, I mean to the desktop view, and if I open in full view, so you can see I can change the values uh, calculate the calculate the amount. You can see it's working very well. The design is responsive, modern, and a uh, very cool looking to the user, to the end user, and you can obviously customize design as per your needs. So now the question is how to download the code for this calculator. So you just need to uh, click on download button and you can download the code for this calculator, or you can deploy it on your account as well. So that's how you can create this calculator with the help of bolt.new. If you want more videos, you can obviously subscribe my channel, and I will be posting more videos like this. Thank you so much.